Hello there and welcome to your daily Qigong practice. Today we're going to work on the shoulders and the hips to keep the joints healthy and keep our circulation strong. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos, consider joining my membership site. We meet every Sunday on Zoom for a 45-minute Qigong session. So if you're interested, you can find all the information below this video. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Begin in a standing position and take a moment here to adjust your alignment, to open up through your spine, relax your hips and your lower back, relax your entire body. We're going to begin with the shoulder rotation 6 times to the back. Then when you're ready, change the direction going forward, keeping a good range of motion. Begin to warm up and awaken the muscles. Very good. Relax. From here, hip rotations to do the same to our hips. So slowly beginning to warm up the muscles, boosting that circulation to the legs. Very good. Change the direction. Keep it nice and round. Remind yourself not to rush through. Paying attention to the movement, to the fluidity of the movement, to your range of motion, honoring your body. Very good. Come back to center. Relaxing. Keeping your feet parallel, we go into the spinal wave. This is where the hips and the shoulders have to work together. So if you can relax the muscles around your hips, the lower back, the middle back, the upper back, and the shoulders, to get that fluidity, to feel the suppleness through your muscles, through your joints, and be able to relax as you move. Be able to move with ease and comfort. And if you have a little bit of pain or ache somewhere in the body, you can limit your range and make sure that you're still moving, but it's pleasant. We're not stressing the body out. Always listening to our body. The body never lies, as they say. You can be as soft as you can. Just allowing that movement to happen, allow that motion to travel through your entire body. Beginning at your feet, through your legs, through your torso. Take your time to soften, to let go a little bit, to connect your mind to your body. And a few times on the side. Remind yourself to keep your spine vertical, to keep the top of the head always facing the sky. So the movement feels upwards. It feels uplifting in a way. Very good. And then begin to slow down. Slow down at your own pace. Staying calm. Staying relaxed. Very good. From here, raise your heads overhead. And if you have problems with your shoulder, you can keep them just below the shoulder level, as high as here. And then bend your knees, let your hips slide back as you open your hands to the side. Your eyes follow your hand. And again, falling down, pressing off the ground, finding strength in your lower body. Raise up. Exhale as you go forward. Inhale, powering the movement with our breath. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward. Same here, just allow yourself to find that softness through your joints, through your muscles. Keep the movement friendly, keep it easy on the body. The lower back is nice and relaxed. All the power comes from your legs. Inhale. Exhale. And one more time to the side. Inhale to raise up. Exhale, let your arms fall down. Sway to the back. Then cross in front of the lower dantian. Inhale as you round your back. Exhale as you let your arms come down. Hips slide back. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, down. We're alternating the hands every time. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Moving your shoulders, moving your hips, moving the entire body. Feels united, disconnected. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. The movement is very soft. Good. And let's do one more time. Open up, chest open, chin up. Relax. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Relax your shoulders, relax your hips, relax your knees, everything in between. Dropping your tailbone down to relax your lower back, releasing through the back of the neck. Shoulders feel a little lower. Good sensations, good vibrations through the body. And then bring your feet together. Focusing on the lower dantian and your energy center just below your navel. We're going to inhale as we gather the chi around us. And with the open palm facing down, you're bringing it to your center to be stored and accumulated. Inhale softly. And feel as if you're just pouring it down top of the head, down the central channel through your spine and into your belly. Penetrating through your entire body and just feeling your breath. Inhale. Feel free to close your eyes here, drawing your attention inward. Making your breath slow and smooth. One more time. Exhale. Let your hands rest just below your navel. Relax, soften, especially softening of the face. Sending signals to the body that you're relaxed, that you're safe. Relaxing the nerves, slowing down the mind. And being present with ourselves, setting the intention to be present throughout your day today. Relax your hands by the side and finish this session. Thank you very much for joining me. It was quite calming, quite centering, so I hope you feel the same way. I hope you feel good. Enjoy the rest of your day. I wish you great health, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams.